So ito pong mga angel pets nating tawagin, sila po talaga yung tumutulong sa atin. So they have dogs na nag-undergo ng temperament test.
Doon pa lang sana ako pupunta ba't hindi yung mga nasa rescued animals?
They are rescued
Yun ang
animals.
i-train natin
Yeah,
para maging...
opo.
So, DSWD lahat to, walang private so si POS ngayon, ang binabayad niyo through GL or how does it work?
Si POS po actually, they have this Dr. Dogs program.
Okay.
Meron silang mga grupo ng mga volunteers,
Alright.
responsible pet owners, who have dogs who are innately, yung by nature,
Nag-aalaga,
sila talaga ay
nag-therapy.
calm and comforting animal.
Galing naman. Ano ba
So,
mga common comforting animals? Meron palang ganon.
Meron siyang temperament testing nga na ginagawa,
Oo.
katulad ng sinabi ni Director Marlene. And then doon parang tinitest sila, hinihila yung buntot, tinitingnan kung kapag ka ba merong
Nangulit.
triggers,
Triggers.
from humans
Baka
ay
biglang
baka
mangagat, oo.
magalit or mangangagat. So yung mga pumapasa po sa temperament test, yung mga hindi nangangagat, sila yung nagiging Dr.
And then
Dogs
this is,
natin.
paano? So, dadalhin yung animals dun sa mga care facilities nyo?
Yes po, meron tayong alaga session, Kong, na it's not a structured activity. So, ando lang sila. And most of our clients who happens to have these conditions, hinahag sila, minsan siguro kinukulit.
Mm-mm.
And these are the
At least may playtime, no?
Yes, actually playtime in nature.
Ang galing naman.
Pero minsan 'di ba, like ako kunyari, meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan na you cannot even talk to a person. And
So, aso na lang kausapin mo.
sa aso,
Kasi
minsan
dogs is
hahag.
man's best friend, diba?
Yes.
Dog is a man's best
So,
friend.
hahag natin sila, kinukulit sila. And based on our documentation, it improves their lives.
Mm.
From a biological aspect, pati yung mental nila. Most of them hindi masyado nag-engage, but with the dogs around, the doctor dogs or the angel pets natin, they were able to we observed that they are starting to engage.
Oo, syempre. Saka yung mga may problema sa pakikipag-usap sa tao, lahat kayang sabihin sa animal.